empty hearts and neon lights. They're playing with my mind.
So in this video I'm going to show you how to make a face mask with regular socks. So I'm going to cut off the top part and the bottom part, and then I'm going to keep that top part because it forms a big part of the entire mask, and I'm going to cut off one side to make it bigger and split into two. And then I'm just going to repeat the same thing on the other pair of socks. I'm using just a single pair. And after that is done, I'm just going to go ahead and place both pieces with the right sides together and then try to even out the edges. That's exactly what I'm doing now, just evening out the edges. And then I'm just going to pin down one side, the two right sides together, so I can sew. Once I'm done pinning those, I'm just going to sew straight down using running stitches. And I'm not going to sew it backwards, so I have that elasticity I want, just in one direction only. And once I'm done sewing, I'm going to open it up, and then this is where these elastics come in. I attach them, fit them in, the both of them, and then I turn over, still sewing both right sides together. Placing both right sides together. So I'm sewing on the wrong side, and now we're sewing the left side. Still using the same running stitches. I'm going to sew that all the way down. This is very easy, and you can do it in less than 10 minutes at home, just with stockings from your closet, because it's really, masks are really expensive at this point in time, so you might as well just make it in the comfort of your home. Now I'm just going to sew one of the sides, that's top and bottom. So I'm sewing one side in full and the other side halfway through both sides, leaving the middle open, if you understand what I mean. So that's the part I'm sewing all the way through. And then this is the part I am sewing halfway through on both ends, leaving the middle open, which is the space for your filter. So I'm just repeating on the other side, sewing halfway through. And then once I'm done with that, I'm just going to take out the pins in the middle and open it and turn it over to the right side. And there we go. Your mask is ready. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.